Howdy folks, super quick one here because there's really not much to it, but I'm installing that Hunterworks exhaust tip, and it comes with a little spark arrestor screen type thing, and the directions tell you to kind of slide the thing in and like lay it on the bolts, the existing bolts, you know, and it doesn't work really good. It's terrible. So this is a pro tip for you. I don't know if anyone's done this before, but these are some exhaust studs for like a header. They were in my box of like Honda junk. I think these are off an XR250, or they could be for like a 200S three-wheeler. But basically, you need to get that metric 6 mil, and what you can do, and I'll show you right now, after you get your existing spark arrestor out. So take these and then just thread them in, and just thread these in really loose. You're just using them to kind of mark stuff. And then I cleaned off the flange and stuff, and then I kind of cleaned the junk off the existing gasket. So just put that in there like that, and then here's your spark arrestor, this little screen, and you can see it kind of just, you know, sits. See how there's like little indentations in it there? So it just kind of sits on here, and I mean, you can kind of flop it around. Let's see if this, well, I just want to do it like this. It's kind of tricky holding the camera and stuff, but anyways, so this will stay a lot better. There you go. You can see it's kind of sitting there, but obviously if I had both hands, I'd be able to hold it and then slide on this end cap. So, and then once that's done, you'll just back these out with your hands and just replace them with the bolts. So let me get everything together, and then I'll show you the kind of final product with the studs sticking out. Okay, so I have these just kind of finger tight here, and then we'll just unscrew that, take that stud out, replace it with the bolt that came out of here, and everything should still be lined up nice. So same with this one here. So now I'll just get my little cool tool here and just start cranking down on it a little bit. So now I'm just gonna get a 1/4-inch ratchet and tighten these up a little bit, and it'll be good. So yeah, just a quick one there for you. If you're installing your Hunterworks tip, definitely makes it easier. Well, I might as well start the thing up, and you'll get my first impression of the way it sounds here. So it's dead cold, obviously. Sounds good. I probably should have done a comparison, but it's deeper. It's more of a like a bassier, if that's a word. More, there's like more bass to it, I guess. It's a deeper sound to it. Yeah, it sounds good, man. It's not super annoying. Of course, I haven't had it out yet, so I mean, maybe it's going to be a little bit louder, but all right, well, just thought you guys want to hear it and get my initial impression. My dog realized that I had this thing clocked wrong, so thanks for noticing that, Coke. Appreciate that, bud. That's a good pup. Yep, you look at stuff like that. So yeah, I had the exhaust clocked like this way. That wouldn't make sense, so that's the way you want to have it. Okay, now we're leaving.
Hey, radio.
Crazy hair. Oh, nice radio. All right, so thanks again for watching.
Bye.
Obey.